Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in a Nissan Armada with us, and I just wanted to send you over a quick video of one that we have in stock so you can see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley directly at 330-714-7621. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road, across the street from the Splash Car Wash and Lowe's. And we have late night and weekend hours available for your convenience. We're excited for you to stop out and take this big, spacious, powerful SUV for a spin. The Nissan Armada is available in 3 different trim levels: the SV, the SL. The SL has an optional premium package, as well as the Platinum trim level with your Platinum Reserve package optional. We're excited to put together the options, the features, and the specifications that meets your wants, wishes, and needs, and then provide you with a vehicle that also includes 3 years of free oil changes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Take care.